Andy. Welcome to Andy's Toy Channel. Today I will be unboxing the new DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the Fly More combo set. Now you have to press the power button for a second to turn on the smart controller. Press the power button 2 times, wait for a second to turn on the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This is how you launch the drone. This is how you land the drone. Nice. I love this DJI Smart Controller because being a kid, I don't have to borrow my dad's iPhone to fly Mavic 2 Pro. Being all-in-one means easy setup, no mess, no wires, faster setup, and more flying time equals fun, fun, fun. I will do another review on what I think of this DJI Smart Controller when I have more times playing with the DJI Smart Controller. for watching this unboxing video on the Andy's Toy Channel. Stay tuned for the next episode. I will be testing out the DJI Smart Controller with the Mavic 2 Pro and share my thoughts. Please like and subscribe. Press the notify bell for the next episode. See ya!